Okay, to perform factory reset on your Redmi Pad SE, first of all, you have to open the settings. Next, you have to go to About Tablet, and right here you have to scroll down and select Factory Reset option. So click on it once. Here you can find information about all data that will be removed from your device. So basically everything that you have set up, including the SD card, the SIM card, will be removed from the storage. So we have to click to confirm to erase all data and tap to factory reset. You can also perform the backup. So if you log in with your Google account, you can save everything that you have on your device, and even when you perform the factory reset, you will be able to log in for this account after the first setup and you will get back your files. So you can decide if you want to do this, but actually I'm gonna skip this step and I just perform the factory reset. I want to erase all data, and here we've got this option and we have to click next. And here we have to also wait for the 10 seconds and click OK. So just wait for this couple of the seconds. Click OK button. And right now our device is going to reset everything. So you just have to be patient and wait a little bit. Okay, and as you can see right now the reset is complete and we are able to perform this first setup of our tablet. And that's all for this video. Bye bye.